Hi everyone, today I'll show you this Cosina C1S camera that I have. This is a lens. It's a 28-105mm f2.8 to 3.8 lens that is capable of macro. So take this off. The lens comes with the lens cap, by the way. So this is the cap. I'll show you the condition of the body. So this is the front, one side, the other side, the top, the bottom, and this is the back. Okay. It used LR44 batteries, but it's a fully mechanical camera, so you don't need the battery to function. Just that the battery is for the light meter lah. So I'm gonna show you the glass first. The zoom lens, the front, the side, and the back. Okay. So I'm gonna show you the shine test. It has some kind of, I think it's a dust or piece of cloth or what inside the glass. I'm not sure why is it there, but okay, there you go. The camera itself, show you the speeds. So let's start at 2000 shutter. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you light meter first. Okay, let's do light meter. So you can see that the light meter works. If I change the shutter, I say 120. Still under. Okay, now let's do half second lah. Now it's over. Wait. See, it works lah. So light meter works, which is great. Now I'm gonna show you the shutter itself. Let's do 2000 shutter speeds. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I need to adjust the shutter speed for my camera. My camera shutter is too high. Let me adjust. Okay. I'm gonna do 1000 shutter. Okay. Now 500. $250. 125. 60. 30. 15. 1/8, quarter, half, one second, bulb mode. So fully works. If you like this camera, you can let me know, I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless. The design is very interesting, like very slick kind of design.